Hey everyone. Hey NailTubers. Welcome back. So this is part 5. Wow. I'm going to be using these two colors from the Model 1 Secret Garden collection. One is that light caramel colored orange and cream. This black is from the Model 1's fashion color set. I'll be using it for some nail art. And I'll be using this feather tip brush. Guess for what? That's right, for an ombre. It's going to be just a little bit different today. And I found this gold prism nail foil. So we're just going to get right into it. Two of the nails are going to be this lighter orange, and one of the nails will be the cream color from this set. One nail will have, the middle nail is going to have an art design, and then the index finger, or where the index finger would be, is going to have that prism foil. And there's a few things that I'll cover with you when it comes to that prism foil, because it's a metallic foil, and I said something about that in a previous video. And while we're at this point, I've been meaning to mention, if you are actually creating a real set of press-on nails, which these aren't because these are just for display, what you don't want to allow happening is the polish pooling up around the cuticle area, just like it's doing on that tan color nail. So to control that, I have a tendency to flip the nails upside down and polish them in the opposite direction so that the brush collects it away from the cuticle area. If you do not do this, the polish is on too thick and may be prone to not cure all the way or even adhere to the nail enhancement, and it will cause lifting. This XKJ Star Glue has so far worked very well with most of my foils, especially the floral printed foils. But today I am using a metallic prism print, and I had a quite different experience. So keep watching and you'll see something that might work for you. So while that glue is drying, I'm going back in with my second coat for the other nails. While the nails are in the lamp curing for 60 seconds, I also start my ombre using the cream color in the middle and doing a diagonal pattern with the caramel colored orange. I've reached a point where I can say that I'm fairly comfortable with ombreing using gel polish. At this point now, I really care to move on and practice ombre with acrylic and even polygel. As a matter of fact, as I think about it while watching this isn't even sped up. You know how I usually do the ×4? I wanted you to see this in real time for a change. Here I did speed up doing the second coat because it's basically repetition. I've been wanting to do an animal print after seeing so many. They seem to become popular again. The animal I chose is the tiger, the Panthera tigris. It's the largest member of the cat family. The tiger is also one of the 12 Chinese zodiac animals. Those born in the year of the tiger are thought to be brave, competitive, and self-confident. In many cultures, the tiger is viewed as having strength, courage, and dignity. As women, we are too often expected or forced to take a position of submissiveness. Yet, we are the ones who give life through childbearing pain. We are the ones who end up being the sole providers of our young and family. We are the ones who become the cross bearers and protectors. We are also the ones who tend to suffer and survive alone in silence. But I am here today to tell you that you are ferocious. Never let anything or anyone tear you down. Your roar can be heard for 3 kilometers, so use your voice and always walk with your head held high. So the previous nail that I polished with the glue, it must have sat for too long, and also when I tried it, it did not work out very well. It was just way too much footage to include and take the risk of having more issues with editing, so I left that part out. However, you'll see some of the same effects I ended up with this one and what I did to resolve the problem. As you can see here, I'm putting in a lot of work just to get this foil to start peeling from the backing, and it just wasn't happening. At this point, you should be able to see some clear from the backing paper, which would let you know that much of the foil is starting to become attached to the glue. The metallic was so stubborn, it just wasn't coming off. In a second, you'll see where only half of it managed to peel. This was almost like a battle that was going nowhere. I was almost becoming frustrated, and then suddenly an idea crossed my mind. Why don't I treat this as a nail sticker? After all, it's already on there by way of nail glue. So what I decided to do was leave it adhered and trim around the edges and then smooth the edges down and polish over it and encasing it with a top coat. So yeah, basically I ended up treating it as if it was a nail sticker or a nail decal and just filed the sides smoothly to get rid of any rough edges that might be hanging over. When it's time to top coat it, you want to be sure that you get glossy top coat around the side edges to prevent peeling. Now you already know why I skipped those two nails. I'm going in on the tan matte nail with a few brown tiger eye colored stones just to tie in that set and make it look so regal. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's set, guys. This was part 5 of my I Snap series, and I feel like I've really snapped with this set. This set is giving me all kinds of vibes. I'm feeling strong today. I'm feeling motivated. I'm feeling like pushing my way through and doing even more in this journey on this channel and sharing it with you. So I just want to say thank you for being here with me today. Don't forget to like and leave a comment and subscribe to this channel because there's definitely going to be much more to come.